everyone, this is Kasia. I'm feeling artsy and today we're going to learn how to draw a piece of watermelon. To do this, we will use a trick. I'm going to use a plate to get this circle. You can get anything else that's round and trace it, or you can just use your hands. I'm going to start halfway and I'm going to trace a half of it. There you have it. I'm going to connect these lines just like this. And then I'm going to draw a line here for the skin. I think it's called a rind. And it's just following the circle, just being inside of our half circle. That's pretty much all I'm going to use my pencil for. And I'm going to go ahead and switch to markers. I'm going to use different color greens for the outside, which I'll start with the darkest one to give this effect of actual watermelon. Then I'm going to use like a medium color green. And finally I'll switch to light green. And all these three greens go inside of our lines. If you don't have three greens, just do two different colors, lighter green and darker green. You can use markers to do this. You can use crayons, colored pencils, or you can even paint. To do the inside of the watermelon, I'm going to use three colors. I'm going to do really light pink on the outside, so right inside this line. Then I'm going to do a lot of pink. And finally, I'll use red for the inside where it's really nice and juicy and sweet. You go ahead and do yours, and I'll see you when we're done with this part. Once you've colored your watermelon, we're going to go ahead and outline it. So just go around your circle, your half circle. I'm using a Sharpie. You can use a plain black marker or a black crayon or anything dark. And the final piece is the seeds. Some watermelons have a lot of seeds, some are seedless, so draw as many as you want. The seeds are like teardrops, and then you color them in black. I'm gonna do a row around on this side, and I'm gonna do a second row of smaller ones close to the red piece. There you have it, my watermelon is done. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my videos, to my channel, so that you can see my next one. I hope to see you soon.